Hi friends! Recently the brand True Botanicals reached out to me to see if I wanted to try some of their products and specifically to review their new Shine and Protect hair cream oil. I get these requests from time to time and I'm really picky about the ones that I say yes to. It has to be something that I believe in and would genuinely use. I had seen and heard of True Botanicals and I know that my daughter has used and likes their products. I also didn't have a hair oil that I liked and used regularly, so I decided to give it a try. In this video, I'll tell you my experience with the hair oil, with some of the other True Botanicals products, and just the brand in general. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do and tap the bell for notifications. When I started researching True Botanicals, I was really impressed and intrigued by what I learned. The products are pure, potent, and proven. They help you get gorgeous skin with natural biocompatible skincare that never disrupts the skin barrier and consistently works. I have sensitive eczema-prone skin and I have to be really careful about anything that I use. I let the representative know this and she told me to not worry, their products are safe and natural, but also luxurious and proven. All of the products are non-toxic and organic, vegan and cruelty-free, and deliver sublime experiences and clinically proven results. They also use recyclable packaging and take sustainable sourcing seriously. Well, if you watch my channel, you'll know that all of this resonates with me, and these are exactly the types of products that I try to find and use. In addition to the hair oil, I got the most incredible box full of goodies to try. It included the Renew Hydrating Anti-Aging Routine, the Body Love Bee line set, and Renew Chabula Extreme Cream and the Calm Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. My adult children were coming over that weekend, so I decided to have a True Botanicals party with the two of them and my hubby and give away some of the products for them to try. It was a hoot, and we all had to barter a bit to get what we wanted. We are all really enjoying the products. My son particularly has tried many skincare lines and loves this stuff. I'll put his glowing review of the Chabula skin cream at the end of this video. He also says the body creams work better on his eczema than anything else he's tried. He's as picky as I am, so this is really high praise coming from him. Now, on to the Shine and Protect Hair Cream Oil. This is True Botanicals' newest launch and is described as expertly curated botanical oils and high-performing antioxidants weightlessly smooth your strands, defend against heat damage, and give your hair an intoxicating scent and luxurious shine. It was developed because they heard many of their customers were using their Pure Radiance oils to nourish and hydrate their hair. So they used their experience with high-performance seed oils to craft a luscious, nourishing, shine-inducing hair cream. Now, I don't color my hair and I like to wear it completely natural. I get a really good razor cut once a year from Jane Matthews at Edo Salon, and then I keep it up myself by trimming it every 3 months using her hair tutorials. I cleanse my hair with New Wash from Hair Story, and I really like the way that that makes my hair and scalp feel. I then typically let it air dry using my hands to sort of mold, sculpt, and pinch it into shape. I don't have an oily scalp, so I only wash my hair about twice a week. I also practice hot yoga about 3 or 4 times a week, and my hair gets pretty sweaty after. I again let it air dry and shape it with my hands while it's wet. Because of all the silver in my hair, without something, my hair can get a little bit unruly. I liked the idea that this was an oil cream that would then smooth my hair. And this lavender scent that it has, I thought would be really great to make my hair a little fresher smelling since I don't wash it that often, especially after my yoga days. I definitely really liked that you can also use it on wet and dry hair. This is the bottle it comes in. You only need 1 or 2 drops of it. It really is a mix of a cream and an oil. I rub it into my hands and smooth it all over my hair. So I've been using it regularly over the last 10 days, and I gotta say, I really like what it's done with my hair. It helps with the hand styling, and I think my hair is a bit shinier. It definitely smooths out the grays, and the smell of it is really nice. It hasn't irritated my sensitive scalp, and again, I like that I can use it wet when I get out of the shower and also dry on the days in between washing. Here's my hair 4 days after washing it using the oil every day. It needs to be cut badly, but I think it still looks okay. I recently went out to a nice dinner and decided to blow dry my hair. I put 2 drops on before I started blow drying, and I really love how soft, subtle, and shiny my hair looked after. It is also super lightweight and feels really natural, like I don't have anything on my hair, and I really like that about it too. I would give the Shine and Protect Hair Cream Oil by True Botanicals 2 thumbs up, and I'm definitely going to keep this in my hair routine. If you'd like to give it a try, you can shop True Botanicals and use my affiliate link, which I will put in the description below. If you do try it or are already using it, please let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Here's Dane's review of the Chabula Renew Cream.
Okay, so I was here for a long weekend, and my mom let me try the True Botanicals, I don't know how to say it, Extreme Cream. It's their moisturizer. And I can really say I actually really like it. I was kind of hesitant because it's all natural. I'm like, how could this be that great? But I really do think it is. I can feel my skin really plumped morning and night, and it gives you like a radiance, like my dad said, but not shiny or oily. So this is really good. And usually I'm kind of sensitive because I've had acne before, so I'll break out if something doesn't work well. And this whole weekend, it's just been lovely. Something that some people might not like, but I actually think it's good, is it shows you on the back of this little, I don't know, icon. It says 6 months until it basically expires. But that just shows me that it's really clean, good products. That's probably why it doesn't irritate your skin, because it's all natural. So thanks, Mom.
Thank you, True Botanicals, for reaching out to me and for these great products. Please keep up the good work. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.